Hi, I was born in 1980 and I've never seen a better Nigeria, meaning that there's never been a time when Nigeria was good. It got worse and worse. Churches increased, and as churches increased, poverty.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. First of all, I want to urge you to watch this video to the end. This particular video I want to share with you has a whole lot packed about our dear country Nigeria, especially if you are a Nigerian who really have the interest, the good interest of Nigeria at heart. You would calm down, take your time and watch and listen to this pastor, all he has to say about this country. He is a pastor, but the words that actually came out of his mouth are words that only an angel can actually say them. We all know how the Nigerian system of pastor is. Anyway, this is the video. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below.
I was born in 1980 and I've never seen a better Nigeria, meaning that there's never been a time when Nigeria was good. It got worse and worse. Churches increased, and as churches increased, poverty increased in Nigeria. There's no value for life. And so why am I saying churches? Because people then said, you said God didn't do anything. Yes, since 1980, prophecies upon prophecies on how tomorrow is going to be better. I want you to think about this, but those of us who still have time to think a little bit about things and confront the situations that we have at hand so that we can nation build together. I want you to think about this. What your leader or your pastor tells you that God will do for you, you do for him. You do for the leader. We pray for security and say God will protect you. Our leaders walk home with soldiers and mobile police. Now, you still want me to be as docile as the religious mind who believes that God will come from the sky and fix a nation? Righteousness exalts a nation. In Haiti's nation, there is prosperity. How come the more we increase in religion, the more poverty increases in the lives of our people? Another thought, and I'm not doing this because to respond to anybody. I'm equipping those who already believe in our message. Then someone will say, well, you know, you're a pastor as well. I've created 140 businesses in this economy. 75 of it tax-paying already strong. We're submitting in November a catalog to the government so that they see what the church has contributed to nation building, to the life of young people, how many people we've employed. But that as it may be, look at this. People found solution to the malaria problem. Americans brought money with some Nigerians to eradicate polio in Nigeria, in Africa. People did these things. If it were left to a normal African whose religion is driven by selfishness is what Pentecostalism thrives upon in Africa. If it were left to us, we'll still be suffering from malaria because God is going to heal. We'll still be battling with polio, not to talk of COVID. Men bounded themselves together. They decided to research and they provided solution and succor for human suffering. So when we speak passionately about these things, it's because of our pain for our nation. A place where if you want to get away with anything, just put God in it. God told me I'll be this. God said this. God said that. And nobody verifies. And so God, I think, left us looking at us, at least since I was born, maybe way before then, looking at us and saying, would true leaders arise? Would people have people who can speak truth to power? And not just truth to power, who can not just talk about nation building, but build systems that leaves the theoretical part of things into the practical part. Men build schools that our kids or our current leaders go to right now. They built it, the Methodists and all these guys, they built schools for free, for people to go to school for free. Men did it. It was men. Yes, everything returns to God. But men fix the world. Men rise up. Men say enough of the suffering that we have in our nation. And we want to fix our nation. It is men who fix nation. In case you ask me, because I know people don't research. So when people say things like your critics, let me tell you, critics are researchers, so I can't call those one critics. And let me say this to you, those who follow us, those who believe in us, the people typing on keyboards now, they won't matter in few years. So don't put your energy on that. Don't fight them. You focus on what you believe God has called us to do. This year, 2022, we've done over 60 businesses in Nigeria. We've made multi-millionaires of businesses in Nigeria, and I haven't stepped there yet. Men do these things. Yes, inspired by God, but I think there are many opportunities that Nigeria has missed. Being docile and waiting for someone to come from the sky, prophecies after prophecies, and the nation keeps getting worse and worse by the day. Now it's become by the hour. Prophecies never came to pass. This is the fact. Now, I've got nothing to gain or lose. Why people say, well, you do know people don't like the truth. So when you say things like this, they won't like you. But I don't pass offering baskets. I'm not asking people to donate to me, and I will never do so. And I'm not condemning those who do so. I'm just saying that nation building, it is meant together, sacrificially participating in the emancipation and financial freedom of its citizens and of each other. That is how your nation build. So again, I repeat, I was born in 1980. And we've been told that God is coming to fix Nigeria. Now, a generation is awoken to know that God has already given us so many calls to fix our nation, to fix our community, the black people community all over the world. And many times we refuse that call, throwing it back to him. And so I'm just that part of a person or part of you that says that nation building is a must. And learning from developed nations, they researched, they provided solutions, they made their lives work. That's a fact. So, like I always heard, those who are naysayers, take this how you take it, but the truth will prevail. I'm not just talking, I have done, and I will keep doing. PT, the 7th. God bless you.
For me, actually what I took out of this whole big conversation, this is more than just a regular preaching. Someone will want to sit you down and start preaching to you. This is more than just a gospel. This is the truth that even the Nigerians themselves are scared of hearing. This is a very big and unique truth that everyone should really walk into. Religion has eaten over this country. Religion has taken over everything. Everybody can actually think of their age at the moment and fall back to when they start hearing God will do this, God will do that, and God will do this. You will know that this thing he's saying is true. Thank you for watching.